Hi everyone, Tim the Plane Man here, and welcome to Plane Time Sequre ESC 14200 edition. So I was contacted by Sequre, which you may know makes some pretty good quality electronic components for UAVs and drones. And they said, do you want to try this new ESC we've got? It does AM32. And I thought, that sounds interesting. I'll give that a shot. So they sent it to me, and here they are. 1, 2, 3, 4 Sequre ESC 14200 Pro AM32 ESCs. And on top of that, we have the ESC-LINK module, which is used for parameter setup and control, because everything around setting up these ESCs is done through a little app. Well, okay, let me open one of these bags because they're all the same. And I've got 4 of them because my intention was to build them into a VTOL, perhaps replace the ESCs in one of my mini strivers, I was thinking. And well, you'll see the challenge I've got. I haven't figured out how to solve that yet, but I really do need to show you these amazing ESCs. And as you can see, they are absolutely huge. And looking at the specs, it is 5 to 14S, 350 amp peak current, and 200 amp continuous current. That's definitely about 4 times bigger than, for example, the model that I'm currently building, and probably maybe as much as 4 times bigger than what I really need for the ESCs and the mini strivers. So I'm struggling to figure out what I'm going to put them in, but my God, they're amazing pieces of equipment. The specs are really quite amazing. It's up to 59 volts or 14S, 200 continuous current, 350 amp peak current. You can get them as BL Heli or AM32 or something called Escape 32. I don't know what that is. And they also support PWM, D-shot, one-shot, multi-shot. There are a large number of connectors and cables here, and their documentation is available. There's PWM for connection, and then there's telemetry, and then there's another set of telemetry wires as well. And this is the power cables that connect the ESCs. Fan is an extra, but it's included in the box. So there's a fan here that can be mounted on top of this. So, you know, this can generate a lot of heat. Well, there's a lot of cooling available for it too. So size-wise, 85.5 millimeters, 38 millimeters, 26.5 millimeters. Total weight for that ESC with all its packaging is 127 grams. That is more than the entire RC plane, the first plane that I built. This is the Pro module. The Pro module includes the package with everything and the wiring already pre-wired. There are sort of more hobby grade versions of it where there's assembly required and you need to solder everything on yourself. That's the ESC. I have 4 of them. I need a project, and I'll be looking forward to figuring out where I'm going to use these, because I really like the idea of AM32 ESCs, and I'm going to be doing some other stuff on that, and be fully enclosed. I think that they're IP rated. Very solid and professional piece of equipment here, hence I guess why it's called the Pro. So that's it, the Sequre ESC 14200 Pro AM32 ESC for UAVs and drones. Tim the Plane Man, over and out. If you like this video, please click the like button. Please consider subscribing so you don't miss any interesting videos in the future. And please share this video with others. It's really important. It helps me to keep this channel going.